Malaysia side, they are not very accurate, you know, in terms of sending tickets to your address here, you know.
So they give me reason in that sense. They thought that one is not my maybe it's not my car.
Okay.
Then I say, oh, okay. So, but we don't want to create so much issue, so we just pay. But that time we need to pay only how much? I can't remember, but less than 300. Except now they say it's 300.
But now it's increasing, you know.
Yeah.
Now it's increasing. But I mean, Malaysia is a little bit flexible, you know. You could, of course, you can pay your fine, but sometimes also when it's too much, you can give them your driver license and 50 ringgit, and they let you go, you know. But you can't do that in Singapore.